I thought there was gonna be a lot of local people here, but everyone here in the class flew from out of state, drove miles, thousands of miles to be here. I'm the only one that was 2-hour drive away. So, you know, that speaks volumes. So I think that honestly, this is one of the best programs out there.
Hi, I'm Tony Hallam from Hopstad, Indiana.
Hi, I'm Dana Hallam from Hopstad, Indiana.
We came to Right Look to get training for a new business venture that we plan to start.
Hi, my name's Eric Stamps. I'm from Silmar, California, and I came to Right Look to learn auto reconditioning. I decided to come to Right Look because I saw the YouTube videos, and Right Look's program to me stuck out because it was the longest duration and it seemed the most hands-on. A lot of other companies had a more like workshop approach, like a couple-day event.
We actually owned a large customized golf cart company. Since we enjoyed that type of customization and making things look nice, we decided to venture into the auto reconditioning business as well as the ceramic coating business. The first day was very overwhelming and eye-opening because I thought I knew a lot from YouTube and watching videos and stuff, but I found out that I had very little knowledge about what I needed to get the business started. So
it was very thoroughly explained to all of us. The good thing is everything we were being told, like we were able to do right away. And that was good for me because I'm a hands-on like learner. Like I learn by doing it instead of just seeing or being taught or told what to do.
Based on having all the checklist and the instruction and education that Ruben was giving us, he was so informative and helpful, kept eyes on us. I mean, me, especially being a female coming here with 5 other guys in the class, I felt like I was going to be intimidated, but when I got here, it was just free-flowing, easy, and I felt like I caught on, and I never really did feel any sense of intimidation at all.
It's important to learn the foundation of something before trying to get to the top, you know? It was actually refreshing to just be able to not feel pressure, you know, and like, okay, today we're just gonna do this. And to be able to soak in everything at a good pace from the beginning to what we're doing at the end, it was, I feel like, honestly, my brain learned it really well.
I've been to a lot of training and nothing compared to this. It's very structured.
And I felt like Ruben kept strict to his schedule.
I thought the class size was spot on, and I thought the amount of hands-on was spot on. Everything's in-house here, which is nice. Products are made in-house.
I had no idea what ceramic coating meant. I was clueless. So it's a very tedious process. You have to be very careful, but it's a very high-paying skill that's offered here. In this one day that we learned ceramic coating, I feel like it was super worth it just for that alone.
I thought the results were phenomenal. I knew a little bit about ceramic coating. Yeah, the chemical properties and the protection on the vehicle are amazing.
The packages available here are really good. I think they're great startup packages for someone that wants to start a mobile detailing business or just a detailing business in general. And everything that it comes with, it's just packaged to get you going right away and to be able to get clientele and grow your business.
Again, my name is Tony Hallam, and we're from Hopstad, Indiana. We are starting a company named Happy Chassis Auto Spa, and we plan to offer auto reconditioning as well as ceramic coating and other products.
My name is Dana Hallam, and I highly recommend the class.
I have no doubts now that we've received this training that we'll be able to take the training and create a good business model.
My name's Eric Stamps, and I just want to encourage you guys, if you're thinking about coming to Right Look, it's a very good program. It's super worth it. It's a great investment. Honestly, this is one of the best programs out there. I was shocked because people were actually, I thought there was going to be a lot of local people here, but everyone here in the class flew from out of state, drove miles, thousands of miles to be here. I'm the only one that was 2-hour drive away, so that says a lot. you know, that speaks volumes. So I think that you guys should really consider checking out the program and take it serious. You know, show up on time, come ready and prepared, and soak in as much as you can, because this is what's going to give you the information you need to move forward with your business and your career.